Hey there, I'm Christian from Les Artisans d'Azur and welcome to Do It Yourself, the Basic Leather Adventurer's Kit. Today, let's focus on dyeing leather. We'll be using EcoFlow dye, quickshine varnish, and our home varnish. Like most products, always shake well unless specified otherwise. With a good quality sponge, we can apply the dye by sliding softly on the leather in little circular motions. Pressing too hard could result in uneven spots or pooling. Bigger circles could leave streaks. If needed, add more dye. If we want a lighter color, this dye can be diluted with water. Never forget that the varnish will darken the color a tad. Once the leather is dry to the touch, it's ready to be varnished. First, quickshine varnish. Easy to use and a high gloss finish. Second, liquid varnish. Can be applied the same way we did with the dye. It is also possible to dip in the varnish for a deeper coating and glossier results. Although, watch out for drying streaks. A little practice is recommended for this technique. For all three techniques, you can add coats to protect more. But the more varnish, the harder the leather becomes and it could crackle in time. And victory! Here are the dry results. On the left, the sprayable quickshine. In the middle, one coat of the liquid varnish. And on the right, the dipping version. All are great and will protect your clothes from stain and your creations from those evil UVs. Hey, have a good one.